Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can build an amazing and mobile responsive e-commerce website on WordPress. With a few clicks you can build entire website. So before getting started you need to have a domain and hosting, and I'm going to give you the link below in the description. So you need to click on it, so you're going to get some sort of the discounted whenever you're going to purchase the domain or hosting from the hostinger. And yeah, so let me show you something over here. If I go to the I think United States, right? Okay, so now you can see you're going to get 75 web percent discount for the hosting. And I will ask you go with the premium one. This one is going to give you 75% off, and you can build the 3 websites, and you're going to have the free 1 year domain with the hosting there. So what you have to do, just click on choose a plan, right click over there on it, and it's going to cost you around $40, something like that, for the 1 year. So you're going to get the website hosting and a free domain where you can install the WordPress and start building website. So we are here on website, right? We are here on the let me get logo out from it's showing something different, by the way, but we're going to select the 12 years program, 12 months program for the premium plan, and it's going to cost you 38 euros for some reason. It shows me the not dollars, but whenever you're going to see it's going to display the price according to your country best. So yeah, that's it. So for the 1 year, 38 euros, that's it. You're going to pay for the hosting and for the domain, and it's very amazing deal. So once you purchase that, once you purchase the hosting and domain, you have to install the WordPress, and you will be here on WordPress dashboard. And if I'm going to go visit the site over here, now you can see how it looks like. It's totally a template, right? And yeah, so now we're going to install a theme on it and build an e-commerce website with a few clicks, as I said. So we're going to go back on WordPress dashboard again, and yeah, here we have on the WordPress dashboard, you're going to see on the left side we have the updates, the posts, pages, commits, and appearance, where we need to click on the themes. So we have to install a theme. Actually, a theme is something which is going to describe about your website functionality and how it's going to be like going to give the feel to the user experience. It is all comes with the theme. So for this we're going to click on add a new theme, and likewise I love only one theme, that is the Astra. And right away on the top I see the Astra. Otherwise if you cannot find over here, you need to write the name Astra theme over here. This is totally free, and it comes with tons of the free templates as well. So we're going to click on install. There are so many themes, but Astra is one of the best theme ever produced with WordPress. So we're going to click on activate, and once it's done, what we have to do, click on top starting building now. So we're going to have the templates as well. So we are not going to build the website from scratch, but we're going to have a template, and then we can redesign it according our needs. So now we're going to click on get started, and now I'm going to click on escape and skip this option. And now it says there are 2 options. You can build the website within minutes. There are the pre-built templates, or you can use the AI starter. Like you have to give the prompt to the AI, and then it's going to build entire website for you. Or you're going to go with the classic starter templates. So this time I'm going to go with the build with templates, classic starter templates. and then I am going to select uh, the page builder. Here we have the two options. We got the block editor or the Elementor. So this time we're going to go with the Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular website and page builder with drag and drop system on WordPress. So we're going to select this one, and now we're going to have amazing free templates here. So you can see there are so many, by the way. Some of them are free, some of them are premium. Wherever is written the premium, you need to buy the premium plan of the Astra, but this time we're going to go with the free, because with the free you can do almost everything as well, by the way. So suppose I'm going to select on the top. I'm going to select like I'm going to go with the e-commerce website. So here on the top we have some options: e-commerce, online store, or so let me click on online shop first, and let's see what kind of the template we have. And maybe I want to go with the clothing store. Here we go. And this one, it comes with the premium plan, and this one is totally free. So I'm going to go with there are so many options, like the clothing store, this one, featured product store, and this electronic store as well. This is the free, this is one the premium, by the way. And this one is organic store. This is also comes with the free, and there are so many as well. Likewise, you can see free templates you can use. So this time I'm going to select this one, clothing store, and likewise, if you want, you can change the font size from here. On the top you can add a logo, and you always can change the color plates, but by default I want to go with this one because it looks premium and very cool, by the way. So yeah, so I will just click on continue. If you want, you can click on to change the color, like this one if you want. If you click on the red, yellow, something like that, but I will go with this one, the black and gray color. So then you need to click on continue, and over here you just have to click on to skip this step and skip and start building site. That's it, what you have to do. And now it is going to install required plugins and import all the content with the templates comes, and once it's done, you're going to have a ready to make a website. Likewise, you need to just edit few stuff on the website, and boom, that's it. So within a few clicks you're going to have a complete complete e-commerce website. So it's going to take some time. 47% done, 50%, 60% done. But if you need my help, you can always visit, you can write over here Raja Sai if you want to hire me to build website for you. Here we have our featured website, rajasign.com, and we have the YouTube channel, Fiverr account. If you want to reach out us, you can click on Raja Sign over here, and then you can book a free discovery call with us by clicking over here. Or here. So yeah, we can help you to build or fix any website issue if you have. So now we go back again to our website. Likewise, here it says, now you can see your website is ready, and it took just 43 seconds to build, and this is totally amazing, by the way. So now we're going to click on view your website. So now you're going to see the magic. Here we go. Now you can see we have the complete website. This is how it looks like. We have the premium background image, we have the shop, about us, contact us, and the logo, and the search icon, and then we have here the basket where we're going to add to cart the product. So now this is how it looks, very premium. If I see here. Now you can see this is how it looks like, and yeah, totally amazing. It is mobile phone responsive, by the way. So suppose if I click on to any product over here, now it says add a like you can select the uh, size of the product, like it seems to be the shirt, I think. By the way, you can always select the size, like the large, medium, small, extra large, extra small, and the color with the black or white. And then you need to click on add to cart, so it will be added to cart, and click on the proceed to checkout. Over here, if I click on proceed to checkout, and now it will go on to the checkout page, so where we need to do some sort of the setup. Right now it's not going, so maybe we need to set up the checkout page, by the way. So yeah, so before, let me show you how you can change the logo. Before we change the logo, I want to show you how you can add a product over here. So you're going to have an idea whenever you're going to add a new product, how you can do that. So you need to go on WordPress dashboard, and yeah, it's taking some time. So once it's loaded, we can see there is an option where we can add a new product, or we can edit. So before editing anything else, first I want to show you how you can add a new product, or if you want to edit the existing product, by the way. So on the left side you can see that we have the cart flow. So let's click on first we need to likewise I said, first we need to check out the products, right? So there is the WooCommerce, and under the WooCommerce we have the products. So we now going to click on all the products over here, and then we can see here we have all the products, and we can add a new product by clicking on add a new product, or we can edit any product, the one we have already. So if I'm going to click on edit this one, we can easily likewise change the title, we can change the description, and then if I click on attributes, we can change the sizes, the color, and you can add more if you want, by the way. And if I scroll down more, so if I click on the variation, so inside the variation you can choose the price accordingly, 139, 134, or something like that. So suppose if you want to add a new product, I'm going to add a new product by clicking on add a new, and then I'm going to give this product name black white t-shirt. Right here you can add a description, and now I'm going to give this price $80, something like that. And I think that's it. If you want to add more attributes, if you have the sizes or colors, you can select the attributes, but we're going to go with the simple product. So it will be not downloadable or virtual, so it will be a physical product, right? So here we can, on the right side, we can add a new category, or we can select any category like a casual, and then we're going to add a product image. So we need to set a product image over here, so I'm going to select that one, From the library I can take, because we have imported already the template, but if you want you can use another images regarding your store need. So right now I'm going to add this one, maybe there's something like this one. So I'm going to select this one, and then once done I'm going to click on publish, and now I'm going to click on view the product, and let me remove the this one product, the one we have added on the cart. So now you can see this on the top we have the white t-shirt name, and the price was $80 and the free shipping. You can change this all with the, I'm going to show you later on. Here people can add the feedback as well. So suppose someone is going to click on add to cart, and now click on proceed to checkout. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it is not working because we need to do some setup for that one. So now I'm going to click on dashboard, and I'm going to go on the cart flows over here. So I want to check out the store checkout page. Okay, so I will go into the plugins, inside the plugins I'm going to deactivate some plugins, because I want to go with the WooCommerce plugin, the one we have already. So I'm going to deactivate. Okay, so now I'm going to visit the site, and then now if I'm going to click on this one, the one I added a product, this one I'm click on the checkout, and now you can see it is working very fine. So perfect. So people can like add a first name, last name, and company name, and some more stuff. By the way, here it says there is no payment, so you need to add the payment system, like you need to connect the payment gateway. So we go on WordPress dashboard again, and we go to the WooCommerce, and inside the WooCommerce we're going to go in the settings, where we can connect the payments. On the top you're going to see the products and shipping options, and then there will be another where you can make the free shipping or flat shipping. You can do all the settings over here. So if I click on the payments over here on the top, here you can connect the payments like the PayPal or Stripe. You have to receive the payments. By the way, you can connect, you can accept the credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay. These all options are available over here. Perfect. So you need to click on the continue, and then you need to connect these platforms, by the way. So right now we are not going to do that. So let me quickly show you for something else that what you can change on the store. So we're going to start from on the top to change the logo. So for changing the logo, what you have to do, on the top you're going to see option customize. Click on it, and then on the left side you're going to see the option the global and the header. So we need to click on the header, and then you're going to see site title and logo. Click on it, and now here you can add a logo, or you can change the logo, or you can remove it like this one. So now you can see there is no logo anymore. So you can add yours logo, by the way, by uploading your logo, right? So right now I'm not going to add any logo, so I'm going to take that logo which was come with the template. So I'm going to select that one, and adding that logo and skip cropping. So here we go. So logo, you can see there it is. So now I'm going to click on publish, right? And this is the, if you click on below here, the primary menu here, you can configure whatever the menu you want to add, but I'm going to show you how you can add another page, by the way. So right now, before we have 4 pages. So if I click on the shop, it's going to go on the shop page where you can see all the products. The one we added recently. If I click on about us, and on about us page, you're going to see these options. This is how it looks like. But likewise, I said you can always change. So if I go, I'm going to start with, if I'm going to click on the home page, I'm going to start with the home page. So I want to show you that how you can edit whatever you want on this e-commerce website. So what you have to do, just click on edit with Elementor. Make sure not edit the page, but just click on edit with Elementor. So now you're going to have a full control to change the stuff on page without writing a single code. So suppose if I'm going to click on here, it says casual and everyday wear, right? Click on the pencil icon, and here you can add something like the Mac every day feels like coin, something like that. Now you can see it is changing on top quickly. So I'm going to delete that one. I'm going to go with the casual and everyday wear. And if I click on this plus icon, a pencil icon over here, now you can change this text, delete all this text, and suppose I'm going to delete this all text, and I write here, hey. Now you can see this text is inside it, so you can change it, by the way. So I'm going to add again, and if I click on this on the top one, pencil icon, on the top it says the title over here. So I copy this and delete it, and if I want to add something like premium styling clothes, premium style wearing style wearing stuff. So yeah, then what you have to do, just click on the top publish, so it will be published. So if you click on the style on the top, you can change the typography, the size, you can reduce it or you can increase it. It's totally up to you. And then if I click on this button icon, click on this pencil icon, you can change, it says view collection, you can redirect this page anywhere wherever you want. So I write here the shop because we have already the shop page, so I'm going to redirect to the shop page. And if I scroll on down and then click on this pencil icon, and here you can write, it is written the most popular, you can delete it and you can say something like that, recent product, something like that you can add. And then if you click on this pencil icon, here you can add the shortcode to display the products. For that you need to go here, write WooCommerce shortcodes, and then you need to click on it, and then here you're going to have all WooCommerce shortcodes to add, like the products. Likewise, if you want to click on the products to show the product shortcodes. So click on it. Now you're going to have this, the feature product, sell product, and then if there is all kind of the detail you can see over here. It's going to give us an example. Here we go. Like the products limit 4, column 4, order by popularity, class, quick sell, and then if you want to do 2 products with the 2 columns, you can write this shortcode and it's going to display like that. So suppose let me show you what does it mean. So maybe I'm going to take a product shortcode. Maybe recent products. I'm going to copy this shortcode and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the plus icon, and then I go to click on add element on the top, and here I'm going to write a shortcode, and then I'm going to tag and drop over here, and then I'm going to add that shortcode over here. Now you're going to see the products will display. So if I click on publish, okay, here we go. Now you can see this one, recent products. After some, it was taking time. Now you can see on the top we had already this shortcode, right? And then we added another shortcode, recent products. So it is displaying all the products we have on this store, right? So I'm going to delete this one by clicking on this X icon. So now it looks cool. So if I click on this container, edit the container and go to the style, and you can change the background image with another one if you have background image. So yeah, you can do that. If I click on this pencil icon over here, you can change image. You can change the image, by the way. And click on, yeah, on the top we have the title, description you can change. You can click on this pencil icon to change the button, and you can redirect it anywhere, wherever you want. And same for everything, right? Click on the pencil icon, edit the stuff, and click on the published, and it will be changed. And yeah, even on the testimonial, click on the pencil icon, change it. Super easy. If you want to add a new section anywhere, what do you have to do? Suppose I want to add here new section over here. So click on this plus icon, and then here you need to select the structure, like you want 1 column or the 2 columns. Suppose I need the 2 columns, and then I need to add the image on the right side over here, left side the image. For example, this one I want to add this image, and on the right side I want to add some text. I will tag this widget. I'm going to add this one over here, and then I will click on this pencil icon, and I will go to the advanced and pending. On the left side I'm going to give the 80 pending, like something 80, and then maybe you want to add some more text over here. Click on the plus icon and add the text over here. So now we're going to give it also the pending from the left side, the 80. So this is how it looks like. And yeah, we're going to duplicate it, just an example if you want to add more text. And on the top we want to give it also some padding, 20. And if I click on this container and go to the advanced, and I want to give the space to this one, so I will go to the margin and I'm going to click on maybe 40 or maybe 80, and now this is how it looks like, clean. So you can add a new section like this one. And if you want to delete, you just need to click on this X icon to delete. So click on the publish. Now if I go back to click on to remove this one, WP admin, and go to on the domain, I click the enter. And then now if I'm going to visit the store, here we go. If I scroll down all the way, you saw we change this text as well. And then here we have the product, and here we have added a new section. And now only thing is left over this one is the footer menu. So for that, what you need to do, click on the customize, and on the left side you can see some settings, the footer, right? So click on the footer, and now we're going to have the widget menu. We have the here we have the the menu where we have the home, the shop, and about us, and contact us page. And then we have the categories. You can change always by adding the new categories and add the link over here. And resources, you can always add the link over here. And the social media accounts, you can also add the links over here for the Facebook, add the link over here for the Twitter, and for the Instagram as well. Then once it's done, click on the published, and then click on the X icon, and the changes will be updated over here. So if you want to add a new page, suppose if I want to add a new page, right, we have the shop, about us, contact us. And if you want to add a new page, then you need to go on dashboard and then click on the pages on the left side, and then add a new page, right? And maybe I want to give it the name, something like new page. Just I want to give it a name, new page, right? And click on publish, and click on to the view. Okay, now you can see this displays only blank because you need to design that page, but on the top you do not see new page was added on the top. So what you have to do, you need to go on WordPress dashboard, and then scroll down all the way. You need to go to the appearance. Here you can see the option appearance. Click on to the go menus, and in the menus here you need to select the primary menu. Click on it and click on select, and then here you need to make sure to tick this one, automatically add a new on the top level pages, this menu. So whenever you're going to add a new page, automatically this will be added over here. So here on the left side you can see on the top new page name was added. So I'm going to select and click on add to menu, and now you're going to see this will be added under the need. So now we have the 5 pages. Home comes with the template, the shop, about us, and contact us, and click on the save menu. And now if I'm going to go to visit the site, now you can see we have the 5 pages: home, shop, about us, contact us, and new page. So inside so whenever you want to change anything on the top, this header, you need to go to the customize. And if you want to change anything to the footer, you need to also go to the customize. But if you want to change anything between the header and the footer, you need to click on edit with Elementor to change. Just an example, if I'm going to go on contact us page, you can do the same thing for the about us page as well. So suppose if I go on contact us page over here, right, and now you need to click on edit with Elementor, and now you're going to have the control to change anything between comes with the header and the footer. So you can change anything. So likewise here says contact us. So if I'm going to say contact us now, so now you can see by clicking a pencil icon, instantly we can change the text. If I click on this pencil icon, and then you can change this text. And if I click on this pencil icon, you can change the number, you can change your email, you can add your address. And if I click over here, you can change the social icons over here as well to add the links. And here we have the store address, so you need to click on this pencil icon again, and here you need to add your store address. If you have not, you just need to click on this X icon and it will be deleted. And then yeah, and you can change, always click on to this pencil icon to change anything whatever you want. Once everything is changed accordingly, just click on to publish, and you need to click on to exit to WordPress. And now what you have to do, you need to remove WP admin to your domain name. So click on it, so you will be redirected to your website. And now if you click on to the contact us, and now you're going to see the changes we have done so far. I wrote down over here like contact us now, and then if I scroll down all the way, you can see I deleted the location section as well from there. So that's it, and click on the home. This is how you can build an e-commerce website on WordPress with few clicks. And you have learned as well how to edit the pages with Elementor to design it or update it. So if you have any question, feel free to reach out, or you can reach out me on rajasain.com, where we help the people to grow their business by building their websites and landing pages. And if you are totally new on our YouTube channel, I will be thankful if you subscribe and like and share with your friends. Thank you, and see you in another tutorial. Bye bye.